Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that matter. Make sure your device is connected to the correct Wi-Fi and not in airplane mode. Next, force close the YouTube app or refresh your browser tab, because a hung client often causes playback failures. Then power cycle the router and modem, unplug, wait 60 to 90 seconds, and plug back in, as this clears common network faults and renews your local IP addressing. Once the basic reset is done, diagnose the network. Run a speed test to check download Mbps and ping, because low speeds or high latency break streaming. If speeds look fine, change your DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to rule out ISP resolution problems. Also try connecting your device to a phone hotspot for a minute. If YouTube works on the hotspot, the fault is in the Wi-Fi path. Finish with advanced fixes. Update your router firmware and the YouTube app or browser, because outdated software can mismanage streams. Turn off VPNs or proxies and lower playback quality to 360p to reduce bandwidth needs while testing. If nothing helps, perform a router factory reset, but export or note your custom settings first so you can restore them. Troubleshooting tip: if YouTube still fails, test from another device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific or network-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.